Now, in cases where the provision is silent about the requirement of mens rea, we'll compare two countries. Like England mein, if there is a provision which is silent about mens rea, then it shall be presumed that mens rea is required unless it is expressly excluded. Whereas in India, it shall be presumed that mens rea is not required unless it is expressly included or included by necessary implication. Now, what does this phrase necessary implication means? Whenever a provision is silent about the requirement of mens rea, then what we have to do is we have to find first the purpose of that law, and second, in that light, see the purpose of the provision. And if it serves the purpose of the provision, then it will be seen if it defeats the purpose or if it serves the purpose. That is what we will do and find out in a particular provision. For example, section 361, to provide protection and to do away mischief in the society. Now, this is what the purpose of IPC is behind this particular provision. Purpose is to protect the children and to protect the rights of the parents and the guardian. All right. So if mens rea is required to be proved, then accused will say he did not have the intention to commit the particular crime. ऐसे फिर हर कोई भी बोल के निकल जाएगा कि हमारा तो इंटेंशन नहीं था क्राइम करने का. ऐसे केसेस में इंटेंशन प्रिज्यूम कर ली जाती है. Mens rea is presumed. Okay, so mens rea is not required to be proved unless it is expressly included कि mens rea को prove करना है. ऐसे केसेस में the person will held to be liable for the particular offense. This is the concept of necessary implication. For example, we have the very famous case of State of Maharashtra versus M.H. George, 1964 Supreme Court. अब इस केस में क्या हुआ था? The person was carrying gold. He was flying in an aeroplane, okay, और उसका stop इंडिया में था. He was carrying gold which was not allowed by the Indian authorities, but he said कि उसे law के बारे में knowledge नहीं थी, उसे नहीं पता था law change हो गया है, and he did not have the required mental intention कि वो ऐसा कुछ crime commit करे. We all know that ignorance of law is no excuse. So here he will be held liable. उसका mental intention था कि नहीं था is immaterial in the case. He will be held liable. क्योंकि उसका जो इफेक्ट है सोसाइटी पे दैट इज सो ग्रेव कि हम ये नहीं प्रिज्यूम कर सकते कि इसकी मेंटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं थी, सो लेट्स फॉरगिव हिम. नो, इग्नोरेंस ऑफ लॉ इज नो एक्सक्यूज इन एनी मैनर. सो ये होता है नेसेसरी इम्प्लीकेशन. हम लॉ का पर्पस देखते हैं, फिर हम देखते हैं वो प्रोविजन या उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन जो हम निकाल रहे हैं, इट इज सर्विंग द लॉ और डिफीटिंग द पर्पस ऑफ लॉ, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल डिसाइड अबाउट इट. Like actus reus, mens rea का भी concept is very subjective in nature. Mens rea is different for different offenses. That means it varies. Different mens rea चाहिए होते हैं different offenses के लिए. It's subjective in nature. The concept of mens rea is also subjective, alright, and it has to be examined in the particular section as to which mens rea is required for constituting the particular offense. So every mens rea is not found to be in every offense, and without the required one, criminal liability will not arise. So this is what basically the whole concept of mens rea is, and I really hope this video is helpful for you guys, and I've tried my best to explain the concept. Actus reus and mens rea foundation होते हैं, and that अगर हमारे clear हो तो हमारे offenses को पढ़ना और उनके requirements को समझना बहुत आसान हो जाता है कि ये crime है कि नहीं है. And I hope this video helps. Even if one of you, then I think my purpose is done. So if you like the video, then please like, share the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to upload some more videos. I'm thinking about uploading the difference between section 299 and 300, that is culpable homicide and murder. It is one of the topics जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा confusion होती है बच्चों को. So I'll try to explain it to you guys. And for the time being, please support the channel and subscribe to it. I hope the video helps, and thank you and have a great day.